When OpenAI announced GPT-5, they said it is available for everyone, right from the free users to their most premium enterprise users. And here I was curious about GPT-5, so I opened a new chat window and started chatting with the model. And I was really skeptical at first because these updates take time to roll out. So I asked the most basic question I could, which is, "Are you GPT-5?" And it said, yes, it is using the GPT-5 architecture, but this name felt weird, no? GPT-5 old. According to their official release and documentation, there are only three versions. If you go to their plan, you might see a fourth version called GPT-5 Chat. But apart from that, GPT-5o shouldn't be possible. So I was a bit confused. I thought it was hallucinating. And so I asked it to prove it. And here you can see the personality of GPT, which you know they were talking about, and it feels more human-like. It is a bit sarcastic, as you can see, and it gives me a certain set of things that it is capable of, saying why it is GPT-5. And I wanted to ask it something that is evident out there, which is its cutoff date, and it said June 2024. And if you look at the official documentation of the GPT series of models, the GPT-5 series of models, you can see it says for the GPT-5 model, it's October 1st. The GPT-5 mini is May 31st, which is technically the start of June. And for the one that is supposed to be in ChatGPT, it is actually 30th September. So here again, I think it is still hallucinating. It is not a factual information that it is giving. So again, I went back to the version that it was claiming to be running on, and I was really skeptical about it. And it again tried to justify itself, saying why it's 5-0 and how it works. Again, I doubled down on that question, and there it says, no, it's not publicly branded, but internally it is called no GPT-5o, stuff like that. And then it said it could help me prove it, and it could clearest proof that it is running GPT-5o. And I asked to do that, and it gave me a step of things that I can try out myself to test out and understand that it is running GPT-5 behind the scenes. Um, but in the end, it said I can give you a side-by-side live demo, and I was really curious about that. So I asked it to do a live demo, give me a side-by-side live demo, and then it started setting up the demo and giving me GPT-5 response and GPT-4 response, and justifying why it is the different versions. And here you can see it is using the internet, where I had not asked it to use the internet, but it is using the internet to do this proof, the side-by-side live demo. And at the end, I was pretty confused, saying, so did it switch models in between to do a GPT-4 demo and then a GPT-5 demo? So I asked about that. And again, you can see the personality coming out here. It's saying, no, I can't literally switch models mid-chat. And so what it actually did was it tried to impersonate GPT-4. Uh, so that was pretty weird there. And that's my next question, actually. So I asked it, how could you respond like GPT-4? Have you used GPT-4 yourself? So you're so well versed with GPT-4, you can impersonate GPT-4. And it then it went back to saying, I didn't use GPT-4 the way human would, but it was trained on GPT-4 data, so it knows how GPT-4 would respond. So it was just mimicking that type of response. And then it went on to saying, I'll give you prompts, which you can try it on GPT-4 and GPT-5, and you can see the difference. And by seeing that difference and seeing how I am talking, you can understand that this version that you're using right now is GPT-5. So I said, yeah, please give me the prompt that I can try it out myself to stress test it. And it gave me a set of prompts that I can see. And it also gave me steps through which I can identify. One is GPT-4 and the other is GPT-5. So these are the prompts that it gave me. And if you are interested to access this chat, do reach out to me or leave a comment, and I will give you the link to this chat so you can continue talking to this.